Hello, my name is Manikanta. I have
Hi,
completed my data
myself
analytics internship with
Digital Vani.
Unified
I
Mentor.
have completed my
During this internship, I worked on
internship with
multiple
Unified
real-world projects.
Mentor as a
Through
full
this
stack
internship,
web
I gained practical
development
experience
intern.
by
It was
data
a
cleaning,
great
data
learning
visualization,
experience.
exploratory data analysis,
I
and
got to work on the
deriving insights
projects
using
like
Python. And this
weather
internship helped
app
me
which
improve
uses
my
API
analytical thinking
integration
and
or student
learn
teacher
how
booking
to work
appointments
on real-world
which
datasets
also
in a
uses
structured way.
Firebase and Cloud
Overall, it's a
Firestore.
valuable experience
I
and
had
helped me strengthen
such a
my
great
foundation in
time
data
working on
analytics.
this
Thank
project
you,
which
Unified Mentor, for this
makes
opportunity.
my knowledge or my
Hello, my name
theoretical
is
knowledge
Manikanta.
worked
I have
into the
completed my data
practical
analytics
ones.
internship with
It
Unified Mentor.
improved my skills
During
in
this internship,
HTML,
I worked on
CSS,
multiple real-world
JavaScript,
projects.
and
Through this
also
internship, I
I
gained practical
happened to learn
experience
new
by data
skills
cleaning,
like
data visualization,
React,
exploratory
Node,
data analysis, and
and Firebase
deriving
as
insights
well.
using Python. And this
I had
internship
such
helped
a
me
great time.
improve my analytical
Overall, the
thinking and
mentors
learn
in
how to
Unified Mentor are
work
so
on real-world
supportive.
datasets in
Any
a
doubts
structured
can be
way.
solved if
Overall,
I
it's a
message them
valuable
or call
experience
them in
and
any
helped me
time,
strengthen my
which was
foundation
a
in data
great thing
analytics.
which makes
Thank
every
you, Unified
task
Mentor, for this
easier.
opportunity.
Thank you,
Hello,
Unified
my name is
Mentor, for
Manikanta. I have
giving me
completed
this
my data analytics
opportunity, and I'll
internship with
recommend
Unified
to
Mentor.
all the students to
During
gain the
this
work
internship, I worked on multiple
experience
real-world
and meet
projects.
real life
Through this internship,
experience
I gained
students.
practical
Thank you.
experience by data cleaning.